This is something my wife had to teach me a long time ago when I was first doing these phone calls. I mentioned before in the video that I used to stay on the phone with people for hours at a time, just helping them to build themselves up and to be in a position they want to be at, but not realizing that they haven't invested what I've invested. They don't have the mindset to do what I'm telling them to do yet because they haven't been through what I've been through to get to where I am now. And you have to value yourself and your time above all else. You can't spend all day, every day focusing on building other people up when you're not where you want to be at in life. And those people probably can't get there because the people who want everything for free are not going to succeed anyway. Just think about it. You yourself, you wouldn't succeed if you didn't spend any money in education and the time and the hard work and the effort. When you just come back and you give all your stuff for free to somebody else, they don't really even act on it. I can't tell you how many times I did like free live streams telling them exactly what to do, step by step, play by play. And when I come back 2 weeks later, nobody did nothing. So the people that pay, that's the ones that pay attention. The people that invest in themselves, that's the ones that actually make it to the top. The people that don't want nothing for themselves and just want to do it for free, they're wasting your time. And you have to value yourself and your time more than everybody else. Think about how much time and how much further you could be alone, how much more you can help your family, your kids, your wife, your husband, if you would just focus on yourself and do what you're supposed to do. And the people that really want for themselves, they're going to invest in you. They're going to invest in your time. They're going to spend money with you to take some time with you to speak with you on the phone because they value you enough and they value themselves enough as well. And they really want to get to where they want to go to. But the people that want everything for free, that's not the person you want to spend your time with. But value yourself and value your time more than everything else.